Hi folks, we're back and we're going to continue with this project here. This is a liquor store that we're renovating, and we did on the last video, sorry, get a little sidetracked here, we've done the floor of the deck. So here, what we want to do now is just quick little video. Somebody asked me about roofs today, so what we do here, we're going to add a roof to this. We got our floor joists here for the second level, but actually we're going to do a real roof up here. I mean, you can do this the same way, but let's just do a conventional roof and some gutters or whatever. So here we want to go into this view. This is our roof plan view, this view right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my architecture tab, and then I'm going to say roof by footprint. And then I'm going to go into my properties now here, and I want to make sure this is checked, not checked, and then we want to do it like let's do a 1 foot overhang. They might be as much as 1/6, so let's say 1/6 here. And so all you do there, from that point, I'm going to go into my draw template. I'm in my draw. I'm sorry. So I'm going to go from here to, I say about here. I want to pick this up. Oh, my columns are not straight, sorry. And I'm going to hit here, and then we just finish it. So there's our roof. Now we have so many different variations. We could have did a roof by footprint, and I'll show you that right quick. So let's just go on this view right here, and to do that, I'm going to just delete this guy quickly here. I didn't want to get into this one yet. Anyway, yeah, I might do that for another video just to finish this guy. So now here we have our roof. I didn't get my 1 foot overhang for some reason. Okay. And then here, I'm going to do one anyway, because we want to have a pitch up here or something. So I'm going to just delete this guy out momentarily. Delete it. And then I'm going to go roof by extrusion. And then I want to pick, you want to pick a plane here. I'll pick this one. Nope. Pick the roof and go okay. And then we'll just do a little sketch here so we can go from, say, I hope anyway. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just cancel this out. That'll be another video, but I'm going to run you through this one more quick time here, how we want to do this. So let's go back to our roof level here. And I want to go roof by footprint. Make sure that's not checked. I don't know why I didn't get my overhangs. Oh, I see why. There it is right there. Interesting. But I'm going to just put it in about like this. Something to that effect. This is just for now. Okay, we cancel that out. Let's go from, say, here to about there. We want to finish that. Okay. And we can put slopes in here and everything with the sloping tool, but I'm going to just run to show you how to do this right quickly. So then after we do that, we can just go in and place our gutters. So we go to roof, and we'll go roof gutter, and we'll just select it right there. There's our gutters. Okay, so hey guys, just wanted to run you through that quick video of how we do a roof. This is the roof by footprint. Then, you know, we have the roof by extrusion. So, hey, I just wanted to show you this quick video now. What we're going to do next is start preparing our drawings for a presentation. But anyway, yeah, I just want to run that quick little video by you. So I'm going to get some views here. So I'm going to go into my project browser and look at site here. So we've got our full site here. So we can take our camera. Let's just take a quick camera look here. Say from here. Okay. Finish that. Oh. Uh-oh. Something is wrong there, but anyway, guys, this is just a quick little video of how you do a roof. Goodness gracious, there it is. So I might want to go into that site plan again, try this one more time and take a shot of this. But anyway, folks, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We have lots of videos, and there you go. So that's going to be our nice little 3D view of our deck and our back porch. So let's make this realistic, fine and realistic. Okay, any day now. Yeah, this is going realistic and I want to do a full reading. So hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Again, please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. Sorry for the, there you go. So hey guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. You can adjust that guy too if you like from that view. So hey guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Be safe, y'all.